Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. Just a quick update. Due to the volatility, I thought it makes sense to give you another quick update. Any changes in wave counts? Not really on the daily chart. So here on the daily chart, we are still tracking a potential B wave pullback, which is due absolutely. So the A wave looks like a 5-wave advance. So ideally, this B wave is going to turn into a corrective pullback. It shouldn't really be circle wave B. Let me adjust that so it's in line with our short-term chart. So yeah, I am tracking here a B wave pullback, which again should be an ABC structure to the downside in an ideal world and would unfold like that. Important is that it's holding the $1,618 level, but we talked about all that in the previous video, so really there is no change here. However, on the smaller time frame, we do have some initial evidence that the top is now in, and I want to share with you how the decline could now unfold. We've landed obviously in this blue target zone here for the next move to the upside. I was tracking 5 waves up. It ended as a 3-wave move up. I assume now wave A has topped. Okay, so I see 2 pathways. If the A wave has topped, then we're now in the B wave pullback as an ABC structure. Quick note here, the market formed only 3 waves up from that 4th wave low on the Friday, the 6th of June. I was tracking 5 up. Just only now when I looked at the chart again, I realized, oh dear, we were dealing with the diagonal pattern. You might remember that. Circle wave 3 was an ABC structure, so I should have tracked circle wave 5 as 3 waves. So what I want to highlight with that is actually it did what it needed to do. Okay, we shouldn't have been watching for one more high actually. So anyway, the count is full. We have 5 waves up in this A wave, and yeah, we're likely now in this B wave. And the next support levels can likely be found here where these previous swing lows are located, around 2,390 and $2,320. And then the previous structural support level here also from the 9th of May, which has been holding and was kind of our lower boundary line of this range. So what we want to see is a break next below that red line at around 2,270, and then a test of the orange support area. That at least appears to be likely, still seems far away, so we'll see if we get there. In terms of microstructure, yeah, I mean, ideally we're now moving down in the A wave. At some point we could get a B wave bounce and then a final move down in wave C. However, if it's following the yellow count, which is not unlikely, then we're dealing with a C wave decline already now. And it's taking kind of the direct pathway lower, okay? That means we might not see this additional BC pattern. We will just have to see how the response is when a low is formed. If the next rally is impulsive in nature, then we might already be in the next upside breakout. But for now, the local trend is down, and I'm just waiting for a little bit more structure to develop. I want to give it a little bit more time. But the next support levels are already defined on the chart. And yeah, I guess tomorrow we'll have enough price data to add some more microstructures here to the chart. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to follow us on X. You can follow us on different social media platforms, but on X, there are additional updates and additional setups and much more. You will find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.